Hey Larry, hope you are doing great. Many research I'm research uh, today and finding the solution which is you want exactly without any external charges. I am just only for you. I am finding a solution which is you want exactly. Okay, so when the user can submit this form, so now I am just adding this form, then click on the submit. After the submission you can see report has been submitted successfully. Then go again to the home page, and here you can see here is only the uh, one entry. Okay, now again I am go back to the dashboard of the admin panel, and here you can see the linkage bidder, which is I am adding by using custom post type and need some additional code, but as per your requirement I am doing the functionality which is exactly you want. And now as you see, here is the all delinked bidders. When you click on the delinked bidders, here you can see your all bidders. Some of the data I am testing, which is the showing the pending. Okay, now when I click on the edit, firstly I just show you here. You can see the bidder company name, title, which is the name of the bidder, and also the phone number and bidder email. And for more information, you just click on the edit, and here you can see the more information of the form submission, like auction company name, your email, uh, bidder company and bidder email, bidder telephone number, and also the bidder state. If you want to change this, so you can just type on the under the field and then click on the publish. When you click on the publish, so this bidder will be automatically showing on the front end side. As you see now, again I am click on this bidder and then click on the publish. This is the bidder name, and then again refresh. Here you can see the bidder updated automatically. No need to retype your bidder name by using front end and copy paste, which is I'm already telling you the previous video. Don't worry about that. You can just click on the edit and edit the detail and then click on the submit. So detail will be automatically updated on the front end side. If you want to quick edit, so just click on the quick edit and you can change the status pending to publish. When you click on the publish, so this bidder automatically showing on the front end side. So that is all. This is very simple and easy. You can easily update your all bidder by using WordPress. So that's all. And also again I'm showing you the another submission. Here, when the user can click on the report a bidder, so this is the form. Fill up the all detail of the form which is necessary need. Then click on the submit. After that, you can see report has been submitted. Thank you for submission. Our team will review it, update and update. Okay. So now here you can refresh the page and you can see status is pending. So when I copy the name of the bidder and then searching here, so bidder will not showing here because you know very well status is pending. That is why if I click on the quick edit and then click on the published, then click on the update, and after that the refresh the page, and then click on the username which is VO Weber, and you can see here is the information of the bidder. So this is very easy and simple, and this is only for you, my friend. You know very well. If I go to the custom phase, so this will take time like 2 or 3 weeks, more than 2 or 3 weeks. But I'm finding a solution only for you. This is for you. Thank you so much, and you can see the tutorial how you can do that. And if you have any confusion, so you can reach out me on WhatsApp, and then I can help out you. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. Bye.